Hi friends, well today our technician has arrived to give our two young gilts AI. The two young gilts are over 8 months old and they've come on their second heat, so now's the time to give them AI. The cost of giving AI to our pigs is 1,500 pesos. And if the pigs come back on heat within 21 days, the next lot of AI is free. When it comes to giving AI to our pigs, AI is not always 100% effective. After the pig is given AI, I am always anxious to see if the AI has been successful or not. Because if a pig comes back on heat and needs another lot of AI, that's a month you have lost. I know that's part of pig farming, but it's hard to take sometimes. I am always amazed at how some pigs are good mothers. All of our pigs that have given birth lately are good mothers. Unbelievable. Just to watch how they care for their piglets, it's amazing. It's a really great feeling knowing that these two young girls now at the age that they have been given AI, and that brings our cell level, our breeding cell level to 5. So all we can hope is that they are both pregnant. We are very blessed that we have a permanent buyer for our piglets. We have been raised fatness for some time now, as we find it's a lot more easier and better to sell the piglets. This gilt gave birth 2 days after the other gilt gave birth. When a gilt gives birth for the first time, you never know how many piglets she's going to give birth to. And this gilt really surprised us, mate, I can tell you. Every piglet that came out was leg first. Sometimes they come out head first, but this time they all come out leg first.
Madami tao din pakapumula yung may isa, bukol-bukol na. Okay. Pagwapin dami ng bagis na mo ah. Sayang na may sitay, nakat ka lang. Yeah. Kiniwan-kiwan na ito na. Pesa suram po natin.
In the end, we could not stop laughing. She only delivered 3 piglets, a total of 3. But anyway, they're very big and they're very healthy.